So today we learn, about Portuguese, trading, portals. So out of that, today mainly we'll learn about eToro, right? So how to use eToro. So this channel is not a financial advisor, but it will help to give more details about how to use the portal of eToro, and will be followed by can go if any request comes from, like, which if somebody want to have a video on something like XM, then that will be covered in the later stage of the videos, right? So today we'll focus about one of the top portal, that is eToro. So just for your information, this is not a sponsored video. It is self motivated, and I feel that this is one of the tool where it is easy to use, and they have well advanced features, so that end user can easily invest their money, right? So to start with, like, I just Google that, www.comparebrokers.co. So in that one, you can see here, the top 15 Portuguese brokers in, as per today, is start with eToro, then XTB, then IC Markets, then AVA Trade, then Robo Forex, then Pepperstone, then XM, FPM. There are top, many other banks which also support, offer the brokering, trading accounts as well, right? So with respect to that, let's look into this eToro, right? So I just click the eToro. Then what exactly this eToro is about. eToro is one of the leading online trading platform since 2008. It's branded as a social trading platform, and it aims to enable users to trade anything from commodities, currencies, stocks, and indexes to the cryptocurrencies as well, right? So through web portal, then also with the mobile platform as well. So let's begin. Once I click that www.etoro.com, then there will be that, this is the symbol, and it's supported, like, multiple languages. So if the whatever the language you can able to select, most of the language in EU, what you can see, including English as well. So if we don't have account, just sign up will be allowed through, like, you can able to create your username, then email ID, and you can set the password. Then you need to acknowledge terms and conditions, and also you should be aware of, like, the risk disclosure as well, that you can go through in detail, one by one, point by point. So if you are comfortable, you please do accept, and you should do acknowledge, and you can create your account, right? So once you create this one, then it will be giving you access. Then there will be a activation link to your email ID, and you need to activate that. Once you activate, then you can reset your password as well. Then it will take you something like this, right? So here you can see here, I'm logging with my credentials. Once you log in, it will be coming as pending, authorization is pending. Then you need to put your latest photo, biometrics, with respect to the IDs which they need to verify. If you are a foreigner, then you need to share the visa copy, then residence proofs and all, whatever the checklist what it required. So those all things to be uploaded. So once it is being validated, then you can able to get. Then one of the thing about, you can see here, the there are things it is recommended to start with the virtual portfolio and the real portfolio as well. So this is the virtual one. You won't see that it's just giving availability. It's showing something like $99K, but it's a virtual just for demonstration. You can see a dummy currency here, and based on that you can do virtual trading as well, to get you comfortable. Once you comfortable, then you can go to the actual real, then based on that you can add your funds, and you can able to start trading that. But it is recommended to start with virtual till you comfortable. You please try with buying and selling, whether it can be shares, it can be stocks, so which is relevant to any IT companies, health, wherever you are interested. Then followed by, you can also look into the cryptocurrencies, all the things which you can able to do, the available, the trading, info, share, companies, right? So with respect to that, let's look into, see that you can see here, this is the login page or the landing page of eToro. So once that now you can able to give details about which kind of customer you are. To start with bronze, once you started investing, they will give or categorize you, silver, bronze, bronze, silver, gold, something like that. It's just category of the customer. Then you can customize look and feel. Then there will be a settings, then you can also recommend this wherever you want to showcase, or you want to share something, the marketing details about, if anything you see something is going up or something, you can also share one of social platform as well. So the trading supports here on stocks, then ETFs, then followed by, you can able to see the details about cryptos, indices, whatever. You can select the related one, and also you can able to select based on this global filter as well, right? So then you can select here view all, so that the registered all the portfolio which you can able to see. For example, you can see here, so these are the top transactions that are happening currently in eToro. So those list which is categorized here. So this is the trend default it is giving. So if you want to look into something to start with, then for example, let me select something like Tesla, right? So Tesla Motor. So if you want to check that, so you can able to get the details, and you can see here today price is 722.25 USD. You can see the currencies in USD, and you can able to see the statistics. It is giving you the details, the last 6 months, how is the trend of the Tesla share prices. So you can see here, price details, market cap, the daily range, the then ratio, the profit loss ratio, then 52 weeks range, that how it is varying. You can see here last year, it was minimum 325, then maximum it went up to till 899.40. And you can see revenue of the company is about 41.86 billion USD, and the volume of the shares. Then you can see your EPS, then year return 122% what they say, and the further details about more details about you can able to get. It is a sector, it's a consumer durables, it is part of that. Then it is industry of motor vehicles, and CEO is Elon Musk, and employees in Tesla are 7,757. So further details you can able to get the financial details, how the revenue increased the last quarter, what are the latest things, what is the income statement of the company, what is the gross margin, operating margin, net profit, then followed by return on investment, with respect to total revenue, then net income. Those details, whether it can be per quarter information you can able to get. To start with, it is a last 4 quarters view. Then can able to get further details if you want to look into like in last 3 months behavior, or the trend, 1 year trend, a 3 years trend, then the total max is the trend what it is gained, so that information view as well. Then also you can able to get the chart view, that you can able to zoom in, zoom out, and how is the trend is happening every um, hourly. You can able to see this is in that day, particular day. So this is August 11th and August 12th, how the things are happening, whether it is decrease or increase. So you can see today it is increased by 2.04%. That is the current price of Tesla. So like that you can able to get then followed by you can able to see that if you are anything, if you want to check further details, if anything related to technology, consumer goods, services, finance, healthcare, basic materials, you can get all the things. Then followed by if you want to look into further details about you want to search by something like this, so say for example Bitcoin, right? So you can directly go there, and if you want to check Bitcoin, so then you can see here the details. You can see here some users what they feed recommend. You can able to see some kind of tweets, internal tweets you can say, and how what people are talking about this coin. Those details you can able to read. Then furthermore, more, you are able to get details about statistics of Bitcoin, and what is the price today and what is the range. In the last default it is giving you a 6 months view, but you can able to see that whether one day what is the range, 1 week, 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, 1 year, 3 years, and max as well. Then the same thing, like what are the caps, details, range, what is the 1 day range, quarter range, last 52 weeks of range. You'll get all the details about that. Then what is the portfolio about, profile details about Bitcoin. If you are first time into this one, you can able to read further details about the Bitcoin. So Bitcoin is first cryptocurrency in the world, launched in 2009. It is also first wide-scale real-world application of blockchain technology. We all know, this Bitcoin will follow, Bitcoin, that is a blockchain technology, right? So furthermore details you can able to get, then also you can see here that some technical details about that, and what's driving Bitcoin prices. I really recommend you please go through details. You'll get the technical details, you'll get the knowledge about that. And also you can able to see that miners folks what they are doing, what is the history of the Bitcoin, then how it is started, right? So all the details which they try to put into one window. I think this one of the feature I like in this eToro, that they are giving you the required possible information into a single clickable UI. So that is very good part of eToro. Then followed by you can able to check the details, the trends, statistics, and you can able to get further more details, right? So this is a quick view about how you can search a company or a coin, whether by name, by ID, some short name, or however you want to check, right? So then on the left side you can able to see that what are the watch list. If you want to look into, you can add anything watch list, you can add it. So for example, you want to monitor Tesla into your thing, right? So you can go into that and you can add into, and whether you want to buy. So for example, here you can check, I'm into virtual, and I want to buy Tesla now, right? So how much amount? So I want to buy with 100 dollars. So how much unit it is coming? $100 means it is unit will be yeah, you can see here that is about $100 estimated as 0.14 unit. So let's trade that. So let's order. Okay. So so here you can see the details, and followed by you can able to order it. So order rejected because orders currently not accepted. So let's go into other something else order you want to put. Say for example, check Apple, right? So this is the Apple one. You can able to check trade. So how much money you want to, how many shares, units you want to check by unit. 1 unit I want to buy. Okay, so that is costing 148.79. So I want to order it. So the order is successful, right? So I bought a share. You can see here this order is happened, and it will be available in our portfolio. Okay, so this is my portfolio. This I tried, and Apple is filled, right? So it means it is part of my account now. So now you can see here I want to sell it now, right? So then you can select this one, anything you what it is in your thing. Then you want to buy or sell again, so that you can able to do. I want to sell it. Okay, so the selling you can see open trade. So I sold, Amazon of $5,000. That is virtual. This is a dummy cash, just for information to play with this. Then that will be made. This is selling now. Once it is sold, that will be sold, and only the related the shares part of your portfolio will be made available, and the amount will be credited to your account, right? So the details you can able to check here, that how much is available, how much is allocated, then what is the profit you are seeing, what is the virtual equity, total equity, what you are able to see, right? So this is quick view that how you can able to do the things, with eToro, the transactions. You can withdraw the funds, and you can also add a fund, right? So then if you want to change the look and feel, you can go to the settings. And if you need a guidance, so it's very useful. If you're the first time, then I recommend you to go through this one. You can see here all the details. They have made so much details, and they can able to give you the trading, how the trading happens, overview. Then there are a lot of fun, online videos as well in the YouTube you can able to get. And in eToro website also, they have made very good handy quick view about that. But I hope at least whatever I you know uh, demonstrated now, I hope it will help you. And it is giving some knowledge about the online trading as well, right? So with this one, I recommend you go through all the details, and go through just to give a cautious about the terms and conditions. And you play, and you can get knowledge about investing online. That is whether you are trading shares or crypto, whatever you wish to. But it's your money, and you can able to invest, or do a trading as well legally, right? So this ends my demonstration of this video. And I will see you in the next video with new technology learning, right? So I hope you at least clear about how eToro works. So I wish you a happy learning.